Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And I know if you are watching this crazy guy, I have a van RV, something cool to show you. Well, in today's video, it's going to be an awesome Chevy Express van. There's so many cool things going on in this van, especially their inside camper build out. I'll show you all of that and even more. Let's go take a look at this van. So there are so many cool things going on with this van, so many things that we did not do. And this is a good example of things being done in steps. We'll get to more of that a little bit later on in this video. The first thing that I want to talk about is what we did to the front of this vehicle right here. And we did our 3-inch lift spindle on the front of it. Now that is a great kit. It's really easy to install if you want to install it. But what is going to be really nice on this is, first of all, we have the method wheel. So, I mean, beautiful looking wheel. And what I really like about this is now the gray on the wheel is also going to match the roof rack as well. But we did go to a 265/70/17 tire, which is going to fit really nice under this 3-inch lift kit. Another thing that I will tell you is you may have to do a little trimming back here on your fender to get that tire to clear all the way. And one other thing to keep in mind, guys, is if you are going to run a bigger tire, a lot of times I do recommend also trimming that body mount and giving that a little bit more space. Another thing we did up in the front of this van is we did add our Fox shocks to it as well. Really, the Fox shocks are going to complement any of these builds and really help control the ride of it. So really straightforward and simple up here. Really just, two items other than this beautiful wheel and tire. It's just nice. I like the gray. Big thumbs up. So as we come to the back of this van was really heavy. It did have a rear weight of about 4,400 pounds. So instead of doing blocks in the rear of this, we went to our full progressive leaf spring. So that's going to make a big difference, giving all of the lift in the spring, as well as giving you that progressive ride, which is going to be really nice. It's also going to include the negative overload spring as well. And if you have any questions about any of these products, I'll put links down below. Feel free to go down below, click on them, head over to our website, and you can check out all of these products. The last thing that we did do in the back of this is a set of Fox shocks to control the ride again. But this thing is just really nice. It's not overdone. I think it looks really good. We're not done. We're gonna head to the back of this and check out a rear bumper. So what's really cool about this build, like I said, you can build your van in steps. So this particular couple is from Arizona. They bought the rear bumper because they wanted to be able to have that spare on the back, as well as adding a box to it for more storage of gears. And you never ever have enough space in the van, even with a roof rack. So it gives you the ability to have that. So we shipped them the whole bumper. They installed it, no problem. Decided they wanted more, and now we have a lift on it. But what's nice about this bumper, you can see, it's just gonna swing out of the way. It's gonna go ahead and lock into place, really nice, and then being able to give you all the access to the inside. Now, as you can see, we'll open this up all the way. You can see what the bumper looks like on all the way opened up, and how far the doors open as well, because that's something that's really important. You want that door, it's gonna open up to that first little sticky spot in the door, and it's still gonna have clearance on the back for your tire. They're not going to be hitting. So this is pretty cool. You can see that they've been doing their build out in there. And that's one thing you want to think about. You're doing the build out, you're adding a lot of weight to the van, and do your springs going to hold up the van and give you a nice ride? Or is it just going to be junk? Well, that's what we're here to help, giving you a set of springs that are going to match the build out of the inside of your Chevy Express, Ford Econoline, Class C RV, Ford Transit, Nissan Envy, the list goes on. So we make custom springs for all of those vehicles that are going to hold the weight of your build out. And that is always a plus. This roof rack's pretty sick. Let's check that thing out. So this is pretty cool. They did have this one custom built. I like how it's got the lights up on the back of it, because when backing up or at your camp, that's always something important. So another thing that I really like on this is you can see they've added the road shower to the side of this as well. Now, I've never used one of these. but I like the idea of it. If you have one of these on your van, let us know, do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you love about it? And or why would you not run it again? To me, I like it. I really like how they did a lot of styling on the rack too. It's not just 2 levels going all the way across. I like how that center section is going to be slightly bigger. You can see that they also did the storage compartments up on the top, which is going to be nice. And then of course, you know that we love a ton of lights on it. Now, I'm going to tell you, I really like how they did the styling in the front of this rack as well. Overall, I think it's pretty cool. Let's go check out some more on the inside. All right, so as we come, we're going to check out more of the inside of this build. And it's really neat as we open this up. You're going to obviously lose some of the room with that. Now, another thing that, as you notice, I went to open this door and it doesn't quite open up all the way. If you want to know how to open up that door more, let me show you maybe on this side. It's a little bit easier. I'm going to go ahead and close the door. And inside it, you're going to see that this has this little latch right here. So what I'm going to do is once the door is about 20 degrees open, I'm going to pull this right here and then the door will open up farther. Let me show you. So there it is, guys. Quick little trick. And you can also do that on this door as well. And then that will open up a lot farther, more than just that 90 degrees. So definitely a plus, especially if you're going to be wanting to get in and out of here. So really simple build. I like this. It's going to have the refrigerator. You can see it's got the toilet. We have a sink up in here and then the bed. Looks like they also added a max air fan. And I really like the use of the wood and leather combination going up there. It's always really neat to see what people do on their builds. You know, there's no right way, there's no wrong way. As long as you enjoy it, that's what it's all about. So I think it's cool. I like it. I don't build the insides of vans. I dig this. Well, there it is, guys. Short and sweet video of this Chevy Express van. A lot of really cool little things on this, making this a home away from home. I would love to hear from you guys in YouTube world. What was your favorite thing on this Chevy Express van? But anyways, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me while you're here. I know you've smashed that subscribe button and hopefully you found something in this video informative as well. So give this video a big thumbs up. And otherwise, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys next time in the next Weldtec Designs video. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.